There, now it's gone. I don't know what I did.
I don't know. Thank you. Thank you. Can you fluff them back up? Okay. Whoa! Mommy's a little covered. I think you pretty much mulched these ones, Tommy. There you go, Mommy. Go ahead, get it. Ah. No, Mommy, no. Mommy's not allowed? Oh, yeah. That big one on his forehead. Go ahead. Okay, go ahead, buddy. You sweep, sweep the leaves. That one stuck in his hair. Good job, buddy. Good job, little man.
That one.
How could you miss it? Oh, is there one on my shoe? Okay.
Oh, it fell out.
Oh. Ooh, I'm getting cold.
Yeah.
We going inside? You ready to go inside? Get some dinner? Okay.